Hello everyone, great namaste to all of you. I am Pradeep itself here with a new amazing session for the weight loss. Start your yogic practice along with me. Being sitting cross-leg pose, gently close your eyes. Observe your breathe, deep and slow breathe in. More and more slow and complete breathe out. Start Omkara Pradodhani. Join your palms, slowly rub your palms, create little heat, little energy, cup your eyes, massage your face, slowly bring your palms down, gently open your eyes, look at your palms, namaste. Take your hands in front of you, make fist, rotate your fist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Palm is stretching. Inhale, move your palm up and exhale, palm down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Again and again, repeat this chain. Elbow bending. Inhale, move your forearm in and exhale out. Inhale in, exhale out. Keep continue. Next one is shoulder rotation. Join your elbow in front of you and now move your elbow upward to downward. Inhale upward and exhale downward. Again and again repeat this chain. Inhale, move your elbow upward and exhale downward. With breathing keep continue. Now start reverse. Inhale upward and exhale downward in same way. Keep continue. Next one is head massage. Interlace your fingers and give the pressure on your forehead and on your back of head. Again and again. From right side, from left side, right, left, release and relax. Head movement. Inhale, move your head in center and exhale. While exhaling, drop your head down right and left. Now while exhaling, move your head right. Inhale, move in center and exhale. While exhaling, again move left side. Inhale, move in center. Reach your arms up, interlace your fingers, palm pressing upward, chin up, hold your breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, look front. Now inhale and exhale while exhaling, bend right side. Inhale, moving center and exhale, bend left side. Release and relax. Some salutation. Take Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Deep breathe in and complete breathe out. Place your palms on your thighs. Inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. Exhale while exhaling, try to touch your toes, otherwise grab your ankle joints and touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale and exhale, jump back, come in Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, come in Cobra pose. And exhale, come in Mountain pose, bend your knee. Inhale and exhale, jump forward, come in Padhastasana. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Then inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. Exhale, take Namaskar Mudra. Again, inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back, come in Hastottanasana. Exhale, lean forward, come in Padhastasana. Inhale and exhale, jump back, come in Chaturanga Dandasana. Whole body weight on your palms, on your toes. Inhale, come in Cobra pose and exhale, come in Mountain pose. Bend your knee, inhale and exhale, jump forward, come in Padhastasana. Touch your forehead to the knee. Inhale, reach your arms up, little arch back. Then exhale, take Namaskar Mudra. In same way, keep continue. Sun salutation. thank you for joining me. Hey everyone, it's a request to all of you, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get the next video notification very soon. And thank you. Bye bye, take care.